Today I'm going for northern pike. Today is a windy day. Oh, right at the boat. Cool. Aggressive. Wow. Another pike on. My next cast. Okay. Yeah. That hit. Disappeared into the, I won't say the depths. It's not that deep here. I got one. Oh my gosh. This thing. Here. Another little guy. A little bit bigger than the other ones. That's why there's more fight. Oh, yeah. The best of the day, I think. Oh yeah, for sure. He's been... Yeah. Right on. Alright. It's a better pike today. Kind of hit like the nursery, I thought. It was just like one little one after another.